Zariah, I'm just giving you feedback on your short story. I read the revised one, as you noted. I really liked how much detail you gave throughout your story, and I feel like that's why your story really worked, is because you used a lot of really good describing words, like when you said the body's decaying in the room and your eyes carry the stormy oceans, how you gave the exact book description of what the receptionist was wearing, reading, I don't know, it just pulled everything together. And then one revision point that I would give you, I have two. So the first one, I noticed that you said in the beginning paragraph, you said, I remain stuck here in this hellhole, and you spelled hole wrong. You spelled it HELLWHOLE, and it's supposed to be hellhole, HOLE. So that's just one thing. And then the second thing, I would just probably tell you maybe I was really confused about reading the questions. I thought the story was really well written, but the questions that were answered or being asked by the intercom, they didn't really make sense. It made it seem like this person was trying out for a job interview, and then all of a sudden this the intercom was described at first as just being an eerie intercom, and then it was later being described as a godly intercom, which I was confused as to why it changed all of a sudden. I don't know, it seems like you had the right idea, but it wasn't described as the idea you ended with in the beginning. And what I mean by that is it just seemed to change, the whole story just seemed to change from the beginning to the end. The end you described, somebody needing to ask for forgiveness, but the questions being asked, they didn't really do anything wrong in the first place. It just seemed really confusing. But all in all, you wrote a great story, and I thought you did good. So, good work.